Introducing the 2023 Cupra Born 58 kWh, a powerful and stylish electric estate car that is sure to turn heads. With 204 horsepower and a range of cutting-edge features, this vehicle offers both performance and luxury. From its sleek grey exterior to its luxurious interior with ambient lighting and voice control, the Cupra Born is designed to impress. Safety is a top priority with features such as multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranties included. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, to learn more about the 2023 Cupra Born 58 kWh and to schedule a test drive today.